Hi, this is Sergio with Smart LED, and I'm going to take you through an upgrade to the Smart LED FX200. So basically, I'm going to show you what you need to connect and what has to be attached to the actual brain box. Now, this is a Smart LED FX200, and the main connections here, I'll take you through them, are as follows. On the top side, we have a Wi-Fi antenna, and that's a gold-plated connector. And you can put, we always include like an add-on antenna base, which gives you about 20 feet. So you screw that on there, and then you screw the antenna on the base. Here you have a USB external, the SIM card, which usually has a SIM card installed already. If it's empty, it means you didn't pay for the SIM. This is for a special remote control adapter if you've paid for it. This is your switch. Usually you don't have to press this because you could just use the software switch. Here it tells you what version you're on. And then here you have two antennas labeled 4G. Again, I've put this antenna on there just for you to see. The duckbill antenna, or what we call the flat antenna, we call it the duckbill antenna, is what goes on 4G. You have to attach both of these, and you should probably use the extender. So here you can see you've got two of them. So you can just attach the extender, and that'll be it. These will be included in the box. You'll have two of them, and you'll have two antenna bases. So now looking up here on the front panel, on the FX200, you have four separate video outputs. They're called port 1, port 2, port 3, and port 4. You have an HDMI in and HDMI out, which are usually not used only if you've purchased the HDMI waterproof cable. Then you could use them. HDMI in is for feeding an input like a PC or Apple TV. HDMI out is strictly for a monitor. Okay, you've got an audio out right there if you're going to hook up speakers, and then you've got a LAN if you've got a bridge. The LAN is used for like a wireless bridge, or if you're connecting a hard line to the box. Okay, then lastly, you've got an USB Type A to B cable. Okay, which is connected just like that, and this is the top. Okay, you see it's keyed. And then you have the sensor 1 and sensor 2 port. And connected to that, I'm showing you the Smart LED brightness sensor. This sensor takes a reading, one reading per second, and it needs to be installed in the sign either up or to the side. So sometimes you just basically need to do make a hole or use the bracket, the Smart LED brightness bracket, and then you tighten it to this nipple. And you close it off and you tighten it. Okay, now to remove this, you have to, it's an RG11, so just be careful at the bottom. It has the little clipper, and you can pull it out. And you can see how it is. It's smaller than an RJ45. Now this one, you just clip it on, and there's nothing to it. As when you hear a click, then it's installed. So now I'm gonna go ahead and unplug that. And then the last connection here is the Smart LED power brick, which is this one right here. Okay, so then now this one has one grounded plug on one side right here, which you can cut and hardwire it, okay? And then the other plug is this screw. It's kind of got like you have to tighten it right there. It's got like a thumb nut, and then you tighten it. And to untighten it, you just go counterclockwise, just like that, until it's free, and then you pull it back out. Okay, so that's what you're gonna get with the kit. You're gonna get the Smart LED FX200 brain box. You're gonna get a brightness sensor. You're gonna get a USB cable, and then a power supply. And you're gonna get two of these antennas, two antenna bases so you can screw it on, and one Wi-Fi antenna with a Wi-Fi base. And that's all that is included with the FX200. Thanks for watching. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to call us, 1-800-762-0796, or you can email us at support@smartled.inc. Thanks for watching.